The purpose of this video is to show you how to make a 2D print with the exact dimension from a 3D model. Thus you will be able to realize surgical wires or difficult wires outside the presence of the patient. Import the digital model into the Mesh Mixer software. Position the model in relation to the grid. 2 squares equals 1 centimeter. Then use the transform tool. Place the grid in the middle of the brackets. It depends what you want. Step 3. Position the set and take a screenshot with the grid view. Now you need to open Word or Page or PowerPoint or any program with ruler. Insert a figure like a rectangle. Calibration. 2 centimeters equals 4 squares of the screenshot. The workflow is always the same. You have to match the blue rectangle, which in this case is 2 centimeters, with 4 squares of the screenshot of the grid view.